Mastering Assistant lives inside your stereo out, which I will call Master Fader. Now, even when you remove the plugin, it just defaults there, just one click away. Now, before you click on it, just make sure that you have selected the lane of your song or the part where more energy is present. So it's because that's what it's going to analyze. And then as soon as you click on it, it's going to start analyzing. Now, the first thing before you mess with the EQ is to hear the character if you want, because it's going to do a great job picking up what a character is best for your sound. And then what I recommend is to move the EQ curve completely down and start adding slowly. It sounds good here, but you can go overboard. Now, if that's not enough for you, you can, as long as you have custom EQ, you can just move these 3 points and do whatever you want to the curve. Maybe you want to add a little bass, correct some of the mids. Now, loudness. Before engaging in loudness, we are going to hear the sound, the level of the music in bypass. Then we are going to add more or less the same, although I would recommend going for the loop meter and looking at the short term until it's around peaking around -12, which is what I would do. Now, if you engage excited, it's very likely that this is going to change. Let's see, 13. So you can add a little bit more level. And this is just a true peak limiter. When the threshold is set to -1, nothing to change there. Width is very soft, although you can make your sound completely mono. It's a very soft stereo expander with a correlation meter that is going to be keeping you informed. Let's compare now. That's a huge difference. So huge that I have to confess that I didn't mix this track at all. It's not mixed. Everything is done by the mastering assistant.